ultimate background flexibility for your headshot. If you've been following my channel, you know that I talk a lot about headshot backgrounds. The fact is, they're less important than most of us want to believe. A great headshot is about you and nothing else. The fancy backgrounds, stock images, or AI-generated backgrounds rarely add much to your professional headshot. Worst case, a particular branded background might actually clash with your next branding overhaul. Inevitably, a use case will come up for your headshot that you didn't expect. That's why, at minimum, having something on a neutral background is the best way to go. Going a step further, sometimes it's even handy to have no background at all. I know this might sound weird at first, but as a full-time headshot photographer for nearly a decade, just trust me. Enter PNG files. These are image files, kind of like a JPEG file, but with transparent backgrounds. You might have seen services like Canva mention the option to remove a background. Even Apple is starting to offer this functionality across many of its apps. So why is it a thing? It's a thing for reasons I've been preaching. You are the whole point of your headshot, and odds are you're going to be using your headshot for something you hadn't contemplated when you were in the studio. So having the ability to simply drop your headshot into a social graphic or page layout couldn't be handier these days. It's going to look great and so much better than having a non-matching background behind your photo. Making a pitch deck? No problem. Just drop in your image in seconds. Making a real estate listing sign? Drop in your photo into the brokerage template and you're good to go. Subscribing to my channel? Actually, you don't need a headshot for that, but just click the subscribe button. Thanks. Need a group photo? We can arrange all your individual headshots into a team composite. And the best part, as your team grows or changes, we can make easy updates without having to reshoot everything. You can even use your photos as stickers on your iPhone. I can provide PNG files from your session at no extra charge. Just ask in case I forget. Can you make these yourself? Yes, but depending on the software, they might not be quite as good. The AI technology is actually pretty good here, and so you want to be using the right software. Also, you've got better things to do, so just let me take care of it for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.